before I start this video, I'm just going to talk a bit about our budget. So essentially, I'm looking to spend around £300 for the whole trip. It's a 5-day trip in Ibiza. Obviously, that includes flights. So the flights are £20 there and back. Obviously, there's extra charge for luggage. I think luggage is maybe £15 extra or £10 extra per flight for a hand luggage bag. So we both paid extra for luggage because we didn't want to just come here with a rucksack. In terms of the hotel, we both paid around £200, £100 per person. Now in terms of food, again, we don't have a really strict budget for food, but it's been bad because this is me in the future talking back on the past, because we basically relied on takeaways and we also relied on restaurants, and it was hella expensive. Don't do what we did. Get some food, like what Ken is doing right now. He's cooking, I think. Get some food from a supermarket because it's a lot cheaper, and I think we've spent around over £150 on food, which is crazy, but yeah. And finally, taxis and transport. Please do not use taxis here, even though we are like having to sometimes. They are so expensive. They're like €50, like just for like a half an hour taxi, which is so bad. And it's so like, there's no Uber, there's no Bolt. It's like this, it's like a back cab sort of thing, but it's like, oh, they have to use a meter and everything. It's not good. Now, if you want to find cheap flights, then Ryanair and EasyJet. We came here by Ryanair. Honestly, it's not hard to find cheap flights. You literally just go online, look up cheap flights to Ibiza. So it costs us £9 to get here. It's a one-way ticket, is £9 and £20 for a return, which isn't that bad, to be honest. It's really good.
Good morning, everyone. I've got a flight to catch in 5 hours and I haven't done any packing. I literally just woke up and I'm going to Ibiza to revise, and that's pretty cool. The flights were £9, so why not? I've got my exams in 20 days, my UCAS exams. So yeah. It's now time to pack. I've got my suitcase. I'm only going for 5 days, so I'm not bringing a big one. So I've got my suitcase. Hate packing, it's so annoying.
We've made it through to security. I found Ken. So we're both going to Ibiza. To be honest, I'm going to revise. He's going to... I'm going to study a little bit as well. Yeah. But the security queue is like really long. But our flight's in like 3 hours. We came way too early. We made it through security. Ken got stopped. Where is he? Ken got stopped because something was wrong with his bag. But now we're on our way to departures. We might go to the lounge if it's good and if I can be bothered. But other than that, I might get some lunch. We were never able to get into the lounge because it's at capacity. We made it. We're off to Ibiza, I guess. We have made it to Ibiza finally after a 2.5 hour journey. We are in a taxi now on our way to our hotel. Yeah, it was a boring flight. There was no turbulence, sadly. I'm literally the only person that actually really likes turbulences. So we've arrived at our hotel, Apartamentos Playa Escana. My Spanish isn't that great, but yeah, we're here. It looks okay.
Oh, where's the camera? Ready?
We have this amazing balcony with the, you probably can't see it now because of the water's over there, but I'll show you in the morning. Our room is so nice. I think our bathroom is in here, which I think is really nice. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning.
Good morning. It's day 1 officially, or day 2, however you might say. And I'm not a morning person, as you can tell. I'm literally so tired. My eyes are gone. It's really sunny. I haven't checked outside. Well, it might be. It's probably going to be so deceptive because it looks sunny, but it's going to be freezing. So we've just found a breakfast place. It's literally right near our
hotel, which is nice. My hair's all tied up from last night and I'm literally so tired. Oh, my TikTok got 200,000 views, so I'm happy with that.
It was so cold, you know. It was actually really, really cold.
I am now just gonna get a quick coffee because I'm like feeling so tired, and today is gonna be a long night because we're going to Ibiza town at night time and basically revising for the next 2 hours or so. It's like 11:30. We're gonna get lunch at around 2 in Ibiza town, stay in Ibiza town, and then do all the nightlife there. Weather is so nice. I wasn't expecting it to be this sunny. I did say this is a revision trip, and look at what we're doing. We're revising. I need to get a lot of work done. We have found Babylon Beach, or Babylon Beach. I don't know. But this looks so nice. Oh my god, guys, we just got a taxi to the wrong place and now we can't find any other taxis. We literally got to this abandoned hotel. Like, it's not even open. We thought that's where the spa was, but it turns out our spa's like another 20 minutes away by walk. No, sorry, 40 minutes away by walk, and like a 10-minute drive. Additionally, it's his fault. I obviously have to be revising in the spa. Oh my god. This is the steam rooms and saunas. They are like Roman baths. I'm not even joking. It is so cool. It's so windy outside. Like, we're trying to sleep and we can hear the wind literally howling, because like it's like one of the windiest nights in Ibiza today. Okay, but we've basically woken up to monstrous wind. I'm just gonna open the door and show you. Like, oh my god, our stuff has fallen down. You can look at this palm tree. I don't know if you can even hear me now, but it's like it's so windy. I don't even know if anything's gonna be open today. It is so cold today and it's so windy. Oh my god, the sea is literally crazy. It's like in the middle of the night, but now it's like, it's okay. My wind is still going everywhere. Sorry, my hair is still going everywhere. But yeah. Are you filming yourself? Literally, this town is dead. There's no one here. There's literally no life in this season. Do we recommend coming to Ibiza in this season? And he is off.
So Ishaan is now carrying his Maggi noodles that he's carrying. We're gonna head over to the ocean.
I'm eating my noodles because, you know, I'm hungry. I'm a hungry person. This guy is fully crazy. Oh my god, he's going again. He is going again. He's going. And he's gone.
The water is actually freezing cold. It's like 6 degrees yet. It's freezing, I'm really shivering. But then after I get out of the water, it's so warm and I feel so, it's just so sick, man, it's so sick. So it's so long since I've seen like a nice beach. Like, it's nice, but like the weather's not nice yet, but I don't really care. But the water's just so nice, the water's so nice.
Okay, so Ken, how have you found the holiday in Ibiza?
The weather's trash, the weather's really trash. But go swimming anyways, even if the weather's trash.
What about living with me?
Ishaan's annoying. He's always saying some weird curse words in another language that I don't understand. He's always speaking witchcraft. He thinks he's in Macbeth, like Shakespeare.
And if you had to rate the weather out of 10, what would it be?
-2.
And if you had to come back here, would you come back?
Not with you.
How have you found the food?
The food's actually really nice. It's a bit expensive though. It's like €8 per meal. So if you do get a hotel, make sure you get a kitchenette and you can cook.